have something very interesting in this box.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna.
So Yes Girl sent me another wig that I reviewed on my channel previously. Now they did send me 2 wigs, so I'm going to review the second one. Let's go over what comes in the box first. Just in case you didn't watch the last video and you're more interested in this wig, I did get the same items but double it for both wigs. So the wig comes with 2 wig caps. It's a pretty good match. And then there's a little zipper pouch. And inside here, 2 clips, some hairpins, an extra piece of elastic, an edge brush, which is very much appreciated, and some tweezers. Now, I'm just gonna let you know right now, I just threw those tweezers away because in the last video I tried to use them and they are unusable. They're so cheap. But I do like the edge brush. It's like a little bit softer than the one I had previously, so it's a little bit nicer on my edges. Let's check out the wig. The wig comes in a satin drawstring bag. Very cute, because this is exactly how she's going to be smushed into my closet. Ooh, okay. First of all, the hair feels so soft. Again, the last wig that I got was a straight wig. This is a curly wig, and they both feel like the same amount of softness. Oh boy, my fingers are going to be all up and through this one. But I have to be careful because it is a curly wig, which means it can get frizzy really fast. So let's talk about cap construction. Sadly, there is no lace to be found on this wig, which I'm kind of surprised because I didn't know that before this. It's got 2 combs on the sides, 1 elastic band for the back of your head, which, I mean, I feel like you don't really need to do the elastic band method unless you're trying to have a glueless wig. And since this wig doesn't have any lace, there's no reason for it to lay flat anyway. But you know what? A for effort. And then there are 2 elastic bands in the back and then a comb in the back as well. The hair feels so soft. It does have the same smell that the other wig had, but I don't want to say mild, but it's like it's a very soft smell. Like you wouldn't really know unless somebody had their nose like really up in it. And the other wig I've had out for a couple days now and the smell's already gone. I kind of like curly wigs like this just because they're so poofy and I don't really have to care too much about what my hair looks like underneath the wig.
I could get it poppin' if you want it.
Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out though. Hear me out. What is this? Of course it's not gonna look great like fresh out the pack. She's definitely gonna need some work. The other one I was like, oh, I'm just gonna straighten it and it'll be, you know, a cute little style. This one is gonna need more help than that. I know it needs some zhuzhing, but I'm still trying to figure out what it's gonna be yet. Like, do I need to cut it? Do I need to, what's going on? I'm just gonna keep zhuzhing it because it was crumpled up in a box for a really long time. I am gonna give it that.
In a script that I'm taking my time with, then I got signed. Publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill me.
Overall, if this is your style, get it, because the texture is so nice and natural. And I am getting a little bit of shedding just from fluffing out the wig. The color is also very natural. It's very dark, but in the light you can kind of see that it's a little bit brown. Also, it's so soft. It feels, you know, exactly like a wash and go. Okay, upon further review, I don't love it. It's just so short. Even my hair is longer than this. You think I should shorten this layer, make it round? I think I like it. I just wish that this part was just like a little bit longer. If I can't see myself wearing it right out of the box, it's never gonna get worn. So I think I have to do something with it. And the fact that it looks exactly like my real hair is freaking me out, because I'm like, why would I wear a wig when I can just wear my real hair? I don't know, you guys. What are we doing? It looks a little bit less real in the camera, but in person it looks more natural. On camera it looks like I haven't separated anything yet. And this is in no part the fault of the brand. They sent me a selection of wigs I could choose from, and I saw this one. In retrospect, the wig looked a lot bigger. Something just doesn't sit right with me ending the video like this, so I am going to go fix that wig, figure it out, and I will not wrap up this wig for real until I'm satisfied with the way it looks. Okay, so what I did was I straightened each section up until about right here. So what I did at the very bottom was I straightened it almost down to the end, and then just left the end curly. And then for this middle section, I kind of flat ironed half of it so that half of it was straight and half of it was curly. And then for this section right here, I did just an inch or two of straightening at the root. This is a little trick that I used to do with my natural hair, so I knew exactly what to do. But you can kind of see down here, they're very straight up until they're wavy. The hair took heat very well. I only needed one pass. I think I'm gonna shape it a little bit more and then make it a little bit bigger, probably like take the roots, and then I think we'll have something that I'll really be happy with. Oh, I also wanted to say that I straightened the roots of the bangs, but only the under layer. So you can kind of see right here, straighten and then curly. So I only did that under layer. I'm not gonna do anything else because I just wanted them a little bit longer. I wanted the whole wig to be longer, and it's like, you have the length there, you might as well play with it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. And for curly hair, I like to cut curl by curl.
You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining. Back to my grind, and you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty. Your word is flimsy, nothing you say is real, see. Before I was stupid, I stay up and lose it. Was making excuses, I thought it was ruthless, but had to go through it. I had to learn how to see it myself. Now I got the experience under my belt, so don't hit up my cell. You can give it up, pack it up. You and that selfish love, go and bother someone else. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me.
I really like it. I think I'm gonna continue to cut more layers into the bottom portion of the wig. I think it's just a little bit thick for my liking now that I'm seeing it on camera. And I think I'm gonna continue to fluff it out, really tease it, pick at it a lot, because I want it to be way bigger than it is right now. But we're at a good place right now. We finally got there in the end. So thank you guys so much for hanging out.
You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast.